Alright, so the rear one is in. I slid the filter airbox over the carb, shake it in place, wiggled it in, installed this screw, pulled it up hand tight, so I put the airbox up, and then I pulled the airbox in with this one. And then, where are we? With this one here. And I hand tightened it. And then I cranked that one down tight. And then I cranked this one down tight. And then inside, is that the right one? Yeah, it looks like, no, it's not. Where are we? That one. And then I tighten that one down. I got to replace that head. So I need a new clamp. I tighten that one down, and then I tighten that one down. I checked my play on my cable, and everything's good. And you can see how I ran my fuel line. And it comes around here, and in through here like so, and right in there. Right in there. So I've got lots of play here that this is going to get adjusted, but I'm not going to do this now. I'm going to do this later. Now I got to put in the top carb, but this one is in and done. This is for my gas tank. I'm looking at the carburetor behind it. All right, now for the top one.